Before X died, he said, if anybody kills me, it's Drake. And do you think that for one moment, here today, days after the event, he's killed by 2 masked men, right? He came on social media and said, guys, before he dies, if anybody kills me, it's Drake. Do you think in that time span that they went and they addressed him, they talked to him? No. Do you think sitting here today, years later, any detective has ever asked, Drake or anybody like that? No. They never did that. So you ask yourself, how could that be? If any of us is involved in, God forbid, in a murder, and you say, hey, it's so-and-so, you better believe so-and-so is going to get investigated. But in this case, they didn't do it. They didn't do it because it didn't comport with their version and their narrative. And as law enforcement, I think that they have the obligation to do so. Another issue. The evidence will show that before Mr. Onfroy was killed, there was an individual by the name of Antonio King, aka 600 Breezy, that posted on YouTube saying, when I get off of probation, I'm going. Like I was saying, this individual, Antonio King, 600 Breezy, literally came here to Florida and took videos by Mr. Onfroy's house, threatening him. Okay? Fast forward, he's shot by 2 masked men. Do you think BSO ever investigated this? Do you think anyone in Broward County ever, went to ask him any questions? To this day, years later, that's never happened. So ask yourself, why? Why would they not investigate it? Because it doesn't comport to the narrative that they want. And that's going to be a motif in this case. You're going to see that it's consistently the same issue. It's not what they want to hear. It's not what they want to hear, so they don't investigate it.
Deathcore Dre, No Brainer industry. The things about the entertainment industry you might not know, but I'm going to get your ass hip. What I'm about to get your ass hip to is that Drake is an idiot. All right? Let me explain to you why Drake is an idiot. All right? So if you don't know, if you haven't been following, first and foremost, I'm sorry. I should have made this video much sooner. I'm a little late because I've been dealing with a lot. But anyway, if you're not hip, I've been covering the X case information, and what's been going on with X. So what happened was, X had been murdered, and we're going through the trial situation, and basically one of the defendants had brought up Drake's name. So what ends up happening is the defense attorney of one of the defendants inside of X case basically petitions for Drake to get a disposition to come forth to the court and have to appear. So basically, if you don't know, there's a guy named Dedrick Williams. Dedrick Williams brings up Drake as a person of interest. The attorney for Dedrick Williams convinces the judge to order Drake for a disposition or face contempt charges. So if you don't know, the definition of a disposition is a testimony of a witness that is taken outside of the courtroom and is transcribed so that it can be used in the discovery of the court. So basically, that just means that your statement will be recorded, and you'll be under oath. Your statement is officially documented, and it will be used in court as evidence in whatever it is that your statement is. Drake is an idiot. This is why I'm going to say Drake is an idiot. Drake is an idiot because, number one, taking them weak-ass shots at a dead man, X, just because of things that he said about you, is absolutely whack. First and foremost, we all fucking know Drake is not built like shit. I don't care what nobody say, Slim. I'm from around the way. I can read a motherfucking. What I can tell you about Drake ain't on no types of shit, bro. I sense pussy on that nigga. Fucking, it's not even up for discussion, bro. I can tell Drake is not built like nothing, but yet for whatever reason, Drake likes to talk gangster so fucking much. Now Drake makes good music. His ghostwriters do, at least. So, you know what I'm saying? I'm not saying like Drake is trash, but when it comes to just going hard, Drake don't go hard, bro. He just don't, Slim. You can tell. You can see it on him. You can see how he acts, bro. He's not built like that. But anyway, Drake's dumbass and trying to talk hard, and you see how the entertainment industry, how the music industry, how these judges and prosecutors are using lyrics against you. Drake is now the next one on the list of idiot boys getting lyrics used against them. Now, I personally don't think that lyrics should be able to be used against you in court unless it specifically details information and events, about a situation that the person that's speaking about it is allegedly involved with. If you get what I'm saying. So, listen, moral of the story, after X dies, Drake drops these fuck ass, bitch ass, pussy ass sneak disses to X. Not even sneak disses, man, because when you read the lyrics, bro, like, I don't even know how you can call it a sneak diss. It is a direct diss to X, all right? So, boom, number one, let's talk about the Drake songs and let's talk about the Drake lyrics. On BS. Matter of fact, no, we're not even going to start with On BS. We're going to go back. We're going to go back to the Scorpion album. I listened to this album. I played this album. And I used to hear these lyrics, and I used to just be like, I swear, I hope this nigga ain't talking about my mans. Because I fuck with X. And it's some suck-ass lines in that. And it's just hard not to... It's hard not to sit here and say he's talking about X. So let's just start. Mob Ties, all right? And the lyrics of Mob Ties, we're going to go to a specific part. This man says, GLE because that Lambo moving fast. Skrr, S-Class, G-Class, lot of class. In a rocket, and that bitch ain't got no tags. Louis bags in exchange for body bags, yeah. Now, if you don't know, X was murdered and was robbed of $50,000 that he had put in his Louis bag. So Drake then gets on a song and says, Louis bags in exchange for body bags, yeah. Not only that, following those lines, it goes back into this pre-chorus, sick of these niggas, hire some help, get rid of these niggas. Fuck what it was. It is what it is. Whatever you did, it is what it is. Bro, Drake, listen. You a sucker, bro. You actually a sucker the whole time. And we all can see it. We can all see right through your bullshit, bro. You got money, you got around some niggas that'll do something for some bullshit for you, but you a sucker, nigga. Stop talking crazy. But listen, you sit there and you say these lyrics after the man died. Louis bags in exchange for body bags. Sick of these niggas, hire some help, get rid of these niggas. You are a fucking idiot. Now your dumb ass is getting dispositioned for fucking court for saying stupid shit like that. Hire some help to get rid of these niggas. Louis bags in exchange for body. Okay, boom, whatever. Next song. I'm upset. XXX. That's the only time I ever shoot below the neck. Bitch ass nigga. Why you keep on sneak dissing the dead, bro? Now, what I do believe is that you can, bro, there's nothing off limits, man. Let me make that very clear, y'all. I'm from around the way. Nothing is off limits, bro. You can say whatever you want, bro, about a motherfucker, man. Y'all may sit there and say, like, oh, yeah, motherfucker shouldn't talk about the dead, bro. Listen, nothing is off limits around the way, Slim. When I say around the way, I'm talking about the hood, bro. Nothing's off limits when it comes to talking, bro. You can talk about a motherfucker mama. You can talk about motherfucker kids. Da-da-da-da-da. You can talk about anything you want. If a motherfucker ain't gonna do nothing about it, you're able to talk about it. But nigga, Drake, bro, stop with the pussy ass, fake ass gangsterism, bro. You're not built like that, bro. We can all tell. Don't nobody think you go hard, Drake. And then you using these fucking jabs at X as fucking, these little suck ass, fake out, thug ass fucking lyrics that you're not even about, bro. Let's move on. Another song, On BS. He say, break a 20. Matter of fact, we're gonna pull the lyrics up. Give me a second. Because I actually don't know the lyrics to that song. I know the lyrics to the other songs because I actually listened to the Scorpion album. So let's see. On BS. On BS, this is the lyrics that Drake says. Damn, maybe I should do a 20. Maybe I should break that 20, do a 10. Maybe I should break that 10, do a 5. Then if it gets live, do a 5 again. So if you don't understand, and I hate all these people trying to get this goofball the benefit of the doubts and trying to sit there and say like your boy Ack, man. Ack, I fuck with Ack, man. But listen, stop trying to give goofball the goddamn benefit of the doubt. You always sit there and try to say this nigga is so goddamn, precise about his words and he's so tough with picking his words and cryptic messages, but you want to sit there and figure like this goofball ass nigga ain't sitting here putting this together. maybe I should do a 20. Maybe I should break that 20, do a 10. So you know what that just said? That it says break a 20 and get 2 10s, right? Then he says maybe I should break that 10, do a 5, and if it gets live, do a 5 again. So you know what that means? 2 5s equals a 10. So first things first, break a 20, get 2 10s. Add 2 5s, that equals 10. 10, 10, 10. Roman numerals is XXX. You're not going to sit here and tell me that Drake isn't clever enough to come up with that, or whoever his ghostwriters is, because we know Goofball don't actually write the shit that he's out here portraying to be. You're not going to sit here and tell me that that is not a cryptic message. Then talk about the music video. The music video where where they show X, you know, getting smashed. Okay, yeah. Drake don't have no director's fucking, you know, what's the word I'm looking for? He don't have directive control. Okay, yeah, but it's fucking Drake. You tell these niggas to do something, they're gonna fucking do it. You know why? Because you're Drake. So to sit here and act like this man ain't out here taking shots and to sit here and think that it's crazy that, you know, just based off of how the rap community is going, how they pulling these niggas in for the words they rapping, to think that it's crazy that Drake is getting questioned about his raps is fucking crazy. What do y'all think, man? Do y'all think Drake actually had anything to do with it? I don't personally know. I'm not going to say yes. I'm not going to say no. But what I am going to say is Drake is a bitch. I don't fuck with all of this, you know, fake ass acting like you go hard shit, bro. You don't go hard, bro. And the niggas around you might go hard, Drake, but you not hard, my nigga. You ain't doing shit. You know what I'm saying? You let a man expose you for hiding your kids and all type of stuff, bro. Like if you want smoke, bro, pull up on niggas and have smoke with niggas, bro. You was ducking Meek and shit, all that shit, bro. But whatever, man. What y'all think, bro? I don't know. Comment, subscribe, like, and if you don't do nothing else, subscribe. That Cordray No Brainer industry. The things about the industry you might not know, but I'm finna get your ass hip. We out.